What's up guys, welcome back to Shocco's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a very simple and tasty burrito. Let's get into the ingredients. For this recipe you'll need one wrap, some chicken, you can have this either hot or cold. You're going to want some rice as well, grated cheese, and lastly some light mayonnaise. Now you're going to want to make sure your rice and chicken is cooked. Mine was already cooked yesterday, so we're just going to throw it in the microwave and heat it up. Now you're going to want to wait until your rice and chicken have cooled down a bit so that it doesn't burn through the wrap. And you're just going to put it on. You're going to put the rice on just in the middle like this, making sure to keep all your stuff in the middle of the wrap so that you're able to fold it. Next, you're going to want to add your chicken on top of the rice like this. Now add some cheese on top of the chicken like so. Next you're going to want to open this and add a tiny bit of mayo onto the cheese like that. So now the final thing you're going to want to do is grab this side. You're going to want to fold it in like this, then fold like so, and then you're going to want to grab a plate and your burrito is ready. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, hit that like button. Let me see what kind of recipes you want to see me make next, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.